Charlie Kev 328. Just call me the collector. And this is the Bakutech BTA. Which one is it? 16. BTA 16. Okay, so it's like a stadium. Everything you ever need, so I can't read it. And my English. So yeah, I'll show it to you. Oh my god, this thing is ridiculous to open. Yeah, there's a sheet. Pieces to it. There's the Bakugan. Alright, here we go. Okay, that's just an 8 card. Oh, here we go. Bakugan. Oh my god. Okay, good. Okay, and this thing is a lot tighter than, like, I don't know, Krypton's Kiv. I don't know what that is. There's cards. Does this thing come with cards? I don't think so. Yep, I must have missed something. I think it does. I just missed it. No, the box is empty. Alright, so anyway, this is Bakugan. That is Bakugan. Let me just get a close up here. And that's the Bakugan that comes with it, 720 G power. And then it comes with like a little ring, and it kind of lets the Bakugan change form. It's really cool, I guess. So then there's the stadium. I'm not gonna assemble it today, but I'm not going to assemble it. But that's how it should look. That is something how it should look when it's done. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, and this is, and I will be doing more. I'm doing a lot more soon. So, peace.